Hi dear children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have learned perimeter area of rectangle and square. So today we will learn how to find the volume of cube and cuboid. What is volume? The volume of a solid object is defined as the space occupied by the object. The volume of a solid object is defined as the space occupied by the object. That means capacity of object. Okay. It is measured in cubic centimeter. In short form, CUCM. It read as cubic centimeter. Okay. To find the volume of a cube or cuboid, we multiply the length, breadth or width and height. Okay. Volume of a cube. A cube is a square block. That is square box. Okay. It has all the sides equal to each other. Equal to each other. How many faces does a cube have? How many edges does a cube have? How many vertices does a cube have? Do you know? Can you say? A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. You remember that a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. In the given cube, length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Imagine that it is cut up into smaller cubes of 1 centimeter sides each. We will find that 27 such cubes make up this cube. Thus, the volume of cube is 27 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cube formula is length into breadth into height. That is equal to L into L into L. Since length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Okay, L is equal to B is equal to H. Or volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Side into side into side. Okay. Dear children, haven't seen a Rubik's cube? It is cut up into smaller cubes of 1 centimeter sides each. Isn't it? For example, a cube has a side of 15 centimeter. Find its volume. Find its volume. So, here side of a cube. Side of a cube is equal to 15 centimeter. That is, L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. A cube has all sides equal to each other. That is, length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Okay. Thus, volume of a cube is equal to formula L into L into L. Side into side into side. Okay. That is 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 15 into 15 what? 15 into 15, 225. 225 into 15. 225 into 15, 3375 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cube is equal to 3375 cubic centimeter. Okay. Let's see another example. Find the volume of a cube whose edge is 20 centimeter. Here, edge of a cube is equal to 20 centimeter. L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to 20 centimeter. What is the formula to find the volume of a cube? What is the formula? Thus, the volume of a cube formula is L into L. Okay, L into L into L. That is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. That is equal to 20 into 20. 20 into 20 what? 400. 400 into 20, 8,000 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cube is equal to 8,000 cubic centimeter. Okay. Volume of a cuboid. A cuboid is a rectangular block. Its length, breadth and height are not equal to each other. Let's now calculate the volume of a given figure. Okay. In the figure, length is 4 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. And height is 2 centimeter. Okay. To imagine that the block is cut into smaller cubes where each cube has a side of 1 centimeter each. Thus, volume of the block is equal to 24 cubic centimeter. To calculate the volume is by multiplying the length 4 centimeter by the breadth 3 centimeter and the height 2 centimeter. We have multiplied 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Thus, to find the volume of a cuboid, formula is length into breadth into height. V is equal to L into B into H. Once again, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. V is equal to L into B into H. V is for volume, L is for length, B is for breadth and H is for height. Okay. For example, find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are L is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, H is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Here L is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, H is equal to 2 centimeter. So, volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. That is 8 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 8 into 4 what? 8 into 4, 32. 32 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 32 into 2, 64 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cuboid is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. Let's see another example. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are L is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 18 centimeter, H is equal to 12 centimeter. Here L is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 18 centimeter, H is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula L into B into H. Okay. That is 24 centimeter into 18 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 24 into 18 what? 24 into 18, 432. 432 centimeter. 432 into 12. 432 into 12, 5184. 5184 cubic centimeter. Thus, volume of a cuboid is equal to 5184 cubic centimeter. Okay. Dear students, some homework for you. See page number 139, exercise 8.3. 1. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are the following. 2. Solve the following. 3. Solve the following. Okay. You must do homework.